Put it on a leash, keep it small, and go from there.
But when it gets a little barrel gets big one day, then it's gonna hurt.
No.
All right, we're just about ready.
I'm so pumped. Where's the headset?
Eric, shh. That's what makes this so special. There is no headset.
What are you talking about?
The only thing you need to play is this.
Just that little chip?
Just that little chip. And it's gonna go right here in your spinal cord.
Oh, no.
No, hey, it's cool, I promise.
It's gonna completely immerse you in the game.
Beta test.
It's gonna completely immerse you in the beta test.
You'll be able to see, hear, touch, and feel everything, as opposed to running around here with some bulky headset and controllers.
And you're gonna be completely paralyzed.
What?
Get him up. All right, first recorded success.
Woo! What kind of game is it again?
It's less a game, it's more like a level. All you have to do is get past the enemy and grab what is it, a fruit?
Yeah, it's a big fruit.
You grab the big fruit.
It's a pineapple.
You grab the pineapple and you wake up back in the real world.
I'm pumped, let's do this.
All right, run the game.
Running.
Hey man, what's up? What's going on? Hey, whoa, wait!
You told him he has to get to the pineapple, right?
I did.
Well, the demo doesn't end until he gets to the pineapple.
He knows that. He's probably just figuring out the controls.
He's not moving.
Come on, get me out of here. This really hurts. Come on. Get me
Looks
out
like
of
he's
here.
crying.
Wait, please.
And he's dead.
This sucks. Have him quit out. We'll test it later. Do you remember how to get to the menu? Francis, did you know?
I did not code one.
I asked you to do that last week.
No, you said you would do it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You said you would fix it after I took care of the anti-aliasing problem.
No. Okay, yeah, you're right.
Right?
Yes, I remember now. Sorry for getting angry.
I forgive you.
Is there any way we can talk to him?
From the outside game, we cannot talk to him, but there is a text chat.
Tell him to look for a large stone. He can throw it at the assassin before he kills him.
Look for a large stone to throw at the assassin.
Run!
Run, sword wait time.
Pick up the sword! No, this guy sucks!
Who would have thought Eric was so bad at video games?
We need someone to go in there and help him.
Don't look at me. I'm terrible at video games. Why don't you go in?
My rheumatologist says I'm developing acute arthritis in my dominant hand, so there's no way I could swing a sword.
I could spawn you as a mage?
Did you finish the mage preset?
I did not.
He really should have asked more questions before agreeing to a beta test.
Agreed. You could ask Sung.
No, I can't.
Why not?
Sung's mad at me for dumping his sister.
I thought he was mad at you for dating his sister.
He was, but then I dumped her. Now he's mad about that.
Pick a lane, Sung.
That's what I said.
First, you're creepily obsessed with my sister. Then, you dated her. And then you broke her heart, and now she's a third wheel on my Valentine's Day?
Yeah, pick a lane, Tyler.
Look, son, I'm sorry, but I want to make it up to you. We're rolling out a beta test for a cool new full immersion VR. We want you to be the first to try it.
Yeah, like what, you added foot tracking? Yeah, no thanks, you still owe me.
It's more like full sensory data replication. Indistinguishable from real life. The best part is you don't even have to move.
So how do I get out?
Well, you have to complete the objective.
And what if you can't?
That's a good question.
Don't look at that.
So I'm assuming this drooling boy's figuring that out?
Yeah, well, turns out Eric sucks at video games.
So you want me to help get him out?
Yes.
I'll do it if You dress up as a clown and tell my sister you weren't good enough for her.
Fine.
Hook me up. Do you feel pain in this game?
Yeah,
Nobody's gonna buy a game where you feel pain.
I get that now.
I hate you.
I know.
All right, we're running.
Jeez!
Are you the boy who sucks at video games?
Keep it down!
You're the one who's yelling.
What are you doing here, son?
Tyler asked me to come help you out.
Well, it's unbeatable. I can't get past the monster to get to the pineapple.
Alright, I'll deal with the monster, you deal with the pineapple, okay? Hey! You're in my way!
Jeez!
What are you still doing here?
I tried to go, but I saw you got killed.
He cheap shot at me, alright? Stick to the plan this time.
Fine.
Alright, stick to the plan!
There is no pineapple. You mean the banana?
Pineapple, bananas, they're both vegetables.
Guys, I'm back.
Shut up. We're watching some.
We made this game way too hard.
Absolutely.
You guys are lucky I don't call the cops on you. That was the most traumatic experience of my life.
You idiots actually made a good game. If you let me play whenever I want, you don't have to talk to my sister.
Deal!
Well, I guess that's just a day in the life of a video game developer.